Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to Daily Talking. My name is Alex. This is our podcast for learning English slowly and easily. Last time, we talked about my evening routine. I cook dinner, I watch TV, I read a book. It is very quiet. But my evening is not always quiet. 3 times a week, my evening is very different. Today's topic is going to the gym. What is a gym? G-Y-M. Gym. A gym is a place with many machines, a place to exercise. Exercise, E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, means to move your body, to be strong and healthy. Healthy, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, means good for your body, not sick. I like to be healthy, so I go to the gym. I do not go every day. I go 3 times a week. I go on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, after work. On these days, I do not go home first. I go from the office directly to the gym. In the morning, I prepare my gym bag. It is a special bag. What is in my gym bag? 1. My gym clothes. I have shorts and a t-shirt. 2. My sneakers. S-N-E-A-K-E-R-S. Special shoes for sports and running. 3. A small towel. T-O-W-E-L. 4. And a big bottle of water. Water is very important. I take this bag with me to work. At 5 p.m., I leave work. I take the bus. I get off the bus near the gym. I go inside. I say hello to the person at the desk. First, I go to the locker room. Locker room is the room where you change your clothes. I take off my work clothes, my shirt and trousers. I put on my gym clothes, my shorts and t-shirt. I put my bag in a locker. I am ready. The gym is a big room. I hear music. I see many machines and many people. My exercise has 2 parts. Part 1 is cardio. C-A-R-D-I-O. Cardio is exercise that is good for your heart. H-E-A-R-T. It makes your heart strong. I go to the treadmill. T-R-E-A-D-M-I-L-L. Treadmill. This is the running machine. You can walk or you can run, but you stay in one place. I start slow. I walk for 5 minutes. This is my warm-up. Then I run. I run for 20 minutes. It is hard. I breathe fast. I listen to fast, energetic music on my headphones. I feel energetic. E-N-E-R-G-E-T-I-C. Full of energy. And I start to get Sweaty. Sweaty. Sweaty means my body is hot and I have water on my skin. Whew! 20 minutes is finished. Now, part 2. I lift weights. 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 Weights are things that are very heavy. Why do I lift weights? To make my muscles strong. Muscles, muscles, are the parts of your body that move you. In your arms, in your legs. I do not lift very heavy weights. I am not a superhero. I lift some dumbbells. I lift them up and down. Up and down. I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is very hard. My arms feel tired. They feel like jelly. I do this for 30 minutes. My workout is finished. I exercise for 1 hour. How do I feel? I feel very, very tired. Tired. My legs are tired. My arms are tired. I am very, very sweaty. I need my towel. I drink all of my water. I am tired, but I feel good. It is a good kind of tired. I feel strong. I feel proud. I go back to the locker room. I change my clothes. I say goodbye to the person at the desk. I walk to the bus stop. Now I go home. When I get home, I am very hungry. I eat a big dinner. Going to the gym is hard work. I am always tired. But I do it to stay healthy, and it makes me feel good. What about you? Do you like to exercise? Do you play sports or go to a gym? Thank you for listening to Daily Talking. You practiced for 10 minutes. Well done. My name is Alex. See you next time. Goodbye.